How to use reCAPTCHA in Google Chrome. So this is my Google Chrome. I will show you how to do it. So first of all, you need to enable JavaScript. For this you need to open Google Chrome and click on three dots from the left hand panel here, and you need to scroll down at the bottom and you need to click on settings option. Now you need to click on this privacy and security option, and you need to scroll down a bit and you need to look for site settings option. At the bottom you can see site settings. Just tap on this, and herein you need to scroll down and select site settings can be used for Java. So you need to scroll down and you can see this option, site settings can be used for Java. Just tap on this, and if it is like this, do not allow this, you need to click on this, site settings can be used for Java. Tick this option. And secondly, you need to update a browser. So for this you need to go to the three dots from the left hand panel, and you need to scroll down and look for the help option. So just tap on help option and click on this option, about Google Chrome, and herein if you find any update, you need to update it to the latest version. I have just updated it, so update your Chrome to the latest version. And after following all this steps, make sure to restart your Google Chrome, and you will be able to add reCAPTCHA in your Chrome. So in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button, also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.